tell me those don't look delicious. This is part 3 of our bacon series. This is a collaboration with a bunch of other YouTubers called Better with Bacon. We're making bacon cheeseburger wrapped onion rings. I've got a pound of ground beef, a Vidalia onion, a bunch of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, the bacon I made in parts 1 and 2 of these videos, and some salt and pepper. Let's get started preparing the ground beef. We're going to add a little bit of salt, some pepper, and a bunch of freshly grated sharp cheddar cheese. Alright, we'll see how that looks. Let's get this all incorporated. This is a pound of 80/20 I got from my butcher. Yeah, we can use some more. I got this idea from another YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description down below. It's called BBQ Every Day, I believe. The name is Barbecue Food for You. And I saw he did these a number of years ago, and I've always wanted to make them. Cheeseburgers, I love onion rings. What's better than an onion ring stuffed with a cheeseburger wrapped in bacon? Let's put that off to the side. We're going to take our onion and slice it into about 1/2 inch slices. Cut off the 2 ends. Okay, and I'm probably gonna just see. Might be able to get 3 out of here. We'll see how this goes. I'm only gonna make 6 onion rings. These are going to be a 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch thick. And now we're going to separate these. So we want like that. This is the taste onion. Okay, so the idea is that we want every 2nd or 3rd onion ring, because what we're going to do is we're going to fill that space between the ring. The idea is we're going to fill every other ring or so, maybe every 3rd, we'll see how they work out, with the bacon, with the cheeseburger mixture. And then we're going to wrap them with bacon. If I have to, I'll slice a little more off here. Give us a little bit of a bigger hole and make wrapping the bacon easier. And 1, 2, 3. 4. 5. We have 6 onion rings we're going to use. Let's start stuffing them. We're just going to take our ground beef and mold it around the outer ring, like so, and then we will take our inner ring and just work that down into it. You may have to adjust how much we put in these, but that is the general idea. leftover hamburger, I will just do as hamburgers on the smoker while I'm cooking the rest of these. Let's get the bacon open. Now again, this is bacon that I made in parts 1 and 2 of this video. So this is a salt-only cure. And I sliced it as thin as I could. Some of this is definitely thicker, but we are going to just wrap these in bacon. We'll see. I may not have enough to do all 6 of these. We'll see how this goes. Okay, we are definitely not making it to 6 of these. I'll try to pick the ones that are going to be better to wrap. We'll see how this goes. We got 4. Just gonna take the rest of this meat and put it back in here. These onions I'll throw away since they already touched the meat. One extra strip of bacon. We'll see if any of these need patching and go from there. All right, those onions will get tossed. Those onions will reuse, and these will go on the smoker. These are going to go on the smoker at 350 for about 45 minutes. Then I'm going to baste them with barbecue sauce and another 15 minutes or so, and they should be good. See you at the smoker. Here we go. I got 4 good-sized onion rings and 2 burger patties. We're going to put them on the smoker. It's going at 350 degrees. I'm using the Pit Boss competition pellets. They've got a nice mix, some fruit wood, some hardwood. Think they'll work real well with the bacon and the burgers. So let's get them on and we'll see how it goes. All right, I'm gonna put the burgers right in the middle since that's where most of the heat is gonna be. And I'll put the onion rings off to the sides. All right, I'm gonna let these go about 30 minutes or so. We'll come back out and check on them. The onion rings have been on for about 40 minutes. I turned the heat up because I didn't like how they were cooking. I wanted them to get a little crispier. I'll take you down and show you in a minute how they look. And I'm gonna baste with barbecue sauce. I'm gonna baste with some barbecue sauce now. I'm just using a jarred sauce. The sauce is a molasses-based sauce, and I think it'll add a lot of flavor to the onion rings. I'm gonna baste them, then flip them, and see how they go. Oh, they look great with that basted glaze on there. Barbecue sauce should form a nice glaze with this heat. And let's flip them and we'll glaze the other side. All right, those look great. These burgers are done. I'm just gonna grab a plate and I'll pull them off in a minute. We'll check back on these in about 10 or 15 minutes and hopefully they'll be done. These have been going just about an hour. I just pulled them off. Tell me those don't look delicious. These are my bacon cheeseburger onion rings. I've got 4 here. They look great. We'll go give them a try. Here they are, our Better with Bacon collaboration, bacon cheeseburger onion rings. Let's give them a try. Oh man, that is good. That is really good. These are fantastic. Please use the hashtag BetterWithBacon down below to check out all the other collaborators on YouTube who've made some great bacon dishes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified of more cooks that I do. We'll see you next time. Tell me those don't look fantastic. Rosemary, parsley, lemon juice, olive oil. Let's give them a try.